Hey guys, welcome back. Last warning from Shiba Inu CEO. You were warned before Shib news. Shibu, the world's second largest dog-inspired meme coin by market capitalization that lives on the Ethereum blockchain as an EC20 token, has been consolidating in the 0.11 to 0.115 area in the last few days. SHIB remains constrained to the upside by its 50-day moving average around 0.115, while the 21 100 and 200 mass all continue to act as a magnet to the price action. In this video, we will talk about the last warning from Shiba Inu CEO. You were warned before Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shibu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Despite the SHIB's latest trading volume trending higher recently, some think it could soon be about to pop higher according to data sourced from CoinGecko. SHIB trading volumes across exchanges hit an impressive $420 million on Wednesday, even before the day ended. That comes after trading volumes neared $600 million on Tuesday, their highest level since mid-March, since the start of the year. SHIB trading volumes have been gradually rising with strong price performance. Shibainu is nearly 40% up on the year, despite the strong performance since the start of the year. SHIB is still down around 30% from earlier yearly highs in the 0.16 area, but SHIB broke above the downtrend from this high late last month. If it can break away from its cloud of major moving averages, which continue acting as a drag, and get above support turned resistance in the mid-0.11, it could threaten a retest of these earlier annual highs. The fact that Twitter's logo is a Shiba Inu should be a tailwind of optimism about upcoming shibainu ecosystem upgrades, which could also pump optimism. In the coming weeks, you will start to see some real progress on all things the metaverse. Shibu Metaverse Development Team lead Marcy Jastro said in a recent post to Shibu Community's Discord channel, as shared by popular Shibu proponent Lucy on Twitter on Tuesday. Shibainu recently released a beta version of Sharum, its Ethereum large-to-scaling solution designed to bring down transaction costs and provide a platform for developing a Shiba Inu-specific Web3 ecosystem that still benefits from the underlying security of the Ethereum blockchain's consensus layer. Despite SHIB's big pullback from earlier annual highs in the 0.16 area, major SHIB whales appear to be holding on to their tokens and not capitulating. That's according to on-chain data cited by Whale Stats, which shows the number of transactions being conducted by the top 100 rich Shino whales has fallen to virtually zero per day since mid-February, having previously been in the 100s. That suggests that sentiment amongst whales remains strong. Whether the SHIB can recover 10 times from current levels is a tough ask. At least in the short term, 7 times gains would see Shiba Inu's market cap explode to around $47 billion, and SHIB hit new all-time highs in the upper 0.88 area. 10 times gains would see SHIB lose a zero and expand its market cap to above $65 billion. If the U.S. Federal Reserve is about to embark on a big rate-cutting cycle later this year to stave off a U.S. bank crisis recession, and Shibu developers do continue to give SHIB new utility via expanding the scope of the Web3 project's ecosystem, then the cryptocurrency could feasibly see 10 times gains in the next few years, while Shiba Inu continues to fail to break the key resistance level of 0.000152 on the one-day chart. One of the largest SHIB whales is buying the dip, as reported by crypto tracking service Whale Stats. The unknown grand owner of Shiba Inu with the synonym Blue Whale 73 has continued his buying spree over the last 3 days. Yesterday, Blue Whale 73 acquired 14,878 billion SHIBs worth around $1.65 million in a single transaction. Just a short time earlier, on April 4th, the 254th largest Ethereum whale bought 229.99 billion SHIBs worth around $2.58 million, as reported by Whale Stats. The total number of shibainu bought by the whale in the last 72 hours has thus reached the ipping number of 37,874 billion SHIBs worth $423 million. Nevertheless, the buying pressure from the unknown SHIB investor has not been enough to move the SHIB upward against market trends. Nevertheless, Ethereum Whales continues to believe in the rising price of SHIB. In their last update at the end of March, SHIB Stats reported that SHIB remains a request from the SHIB army was made to the founder, Roshi, when SHIB 0.01 was passed on to Shoshi, and both visionaries knew a time would come to provide exponential SHIB burns in the form of Sharam. Many are yet to fathom the true vision of Sharam until it comes to fruition. But Koyo token has provided the first step, an indicator of what to expect, although Koyo token burned over 6.1 billion SHIB tokens in March. Along with a major burn expected in the coming days, it is not the Koi smart contract automated 2% tax SHIB tax burn, but what was mentioned by Kintaro Koyo founder and his medium. So expect billions of dollars in volume, expect millions of dollars in rewards, and in turn expect SHIB burns to be in the millions with continuous burns. Many have asked, how can it even be possible to bring context according to the current SHIB market cap of 480 and 338 680 and circulation supply of 589 trillion 542 bill 816 415.73 to achieve a target SHIB of 0.01. It would require 99.9999% of the total SHIB supply to be burned, which means 588 trillion SHIB tokens would need to be burned based on the SHIB's current price of 0.195. 6,449 mil, 383.46 of SHIB value to be burned, leaving a circulating supply of 589 trillion. And at the current market cap of 6 to 452 million, this would result in $0.01. So at the outset, achieving such a colossal target would require much more than the efforts of Koyo token trading and the financial service platform, but would require the Roshi to Shoshi vision of Sharam coming to full effect. Now let's focus on the optimistic outlook of the COO token. The platform expects to generate billions of dollars in volume if they were to work off standard transaction fees, plus borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms. Working off $1 billion in dollar trading volume per month, this could equate to over $20 million in COO monthly revenue generated. This could result in a conservative 10 million worth of SHIB burn per month. Applying this across the next 12 months would mean $120 million worth of SHIB earned annually, equating to approximately 10,989 billion SHIB tokens burned every year. We then need to consider Sharam will SHIB burn 70% of all revenue generated from transaction fees, considering the volume entering and leaving Koyo trading and financial service platform, and including that Kanaro also confirmed in his medium, a loyal friend will never conduct in competitive strategies with its trusted alliance Shiba Inu, so we hereby declare Koyo will incorporate shibaswap as the exclusive swap for all trading via the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol. We'd sure we add value and volume onto shibaswap Sharam and again allowing the Shiba ecosystem to benefit. This means all swaps on the Koyo platform would have an API for shibaswap, meaning all SWAP benefits stem back to shibaswap, resulting in more volume and more SHIBs. Burns now considers that the Koyo trading platform will be adding other Sharian projects that meet Shoshi guidelines and that they provide benefits back to the SHIB ecosystem in the form of burns and the SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation to the Koyo trading platform, as well as VC opportunities. This could result in Sharian projects receiving gigantic trade volume, substantially increasing the chances for Tier 1 CX listings. More importantly, these projects will bring more volume onto the Sharam network, and their ecosystems will add to the SHIB. Burn Pool Koyo token's mysterious entry and storyline are slowly starting to unravel a developing Koi army that pledges its loyalty and allegiance to the SHIB army and a developing platform set to become a key shibainu ecosystem beneficiary. This means potentially becoming one of the biggest contributors to the SHIB army's long-awaited hit SHIB 0.01. Koyo founder Karo speaks of no coincidences. We know of Roshi's vision, and Shoshi speaks of when the vision comes together piece by piece in forming the final jigsaw puzzle. Are we finally seeing the net plan coming together to create an artistic masterpiece aligning with the Shiba Inu ecosystem? That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.